Good day, ma'am. This is Azin Joyce Isotor from the course BS Agriculture Section B, and this is my video about the nature of the communication process. Gis, dagagagatan kagat si guys si Bago Blackpink.
Oh, gaganan ka sila kanta.
Gaganagan kay kuha ni kanta ka ay. Ikagaw.
Daghan pag kuha na.
Mga guys, nakaayo kagaganta gado.
Mo gani guys tayo. Pagdaw. Gagawin saan gani ni?
Gagali gabang gugna. Igagaw ko plus kagag naning tugo. Pagas pudig tugo 3. Dayon maugo daga ay so asere. Napakagay laing agagan sigiragan.
Gagawala naman.
Ogo. Sayo gagal kay di ay. The nature of communication is a two-way process between two or more persons, the sender and receiver. Nature of communication process is also a continuous process. Exchange of ideas and opinion amongst people is an ongoing process in business and non-business organization. Continuous interaction promotes understanding and exchange of information relevant for decision making.